Did you know that practicing mindfulness for just a few minutes a day can significantly reduce stress and improve your overall well-being? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the simple habits that can make a powerful difference in how we feel, think, and experience each day. With just a small daily commitment, you can tap into a greater sense of calm and clarity, no matter what life throws your way. In this video, you'll learn how to incorporate everyday spirituality into your life to become more mindful, present, and peaceful. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking to deepen your practice, you'll discover practical, accessible ways to nurture your spirit and transform your relationship with the present moment. Many people struggle with feeling overwhelmed and disconnected in their daily lives, often missing out on the beauty of the present moment. Our routines become so packed with obligations, distractions, and background noise that we rarely pause to notice the world around us or how we're really feeling inside. Stress can quickly build up, manifesting as tension in the body, racing thoughts, or a lingering sense of dissatisfaction. In this state, it's easy to feel like life is just something happening to us, rather than something we're actively participating in. You might recognize this in your own life. Waking up, rushing through your morning routine, checking emails before you're even out of bed, and moving from one task to the next without a real sense of purpose or presence. By the time the day ends, you might feel drained, irritable, or simply numb, wondering where the hours went and why you feel so disconnected. This modern way of living can leave us feeling like we're constantly chasing after something just out of reach, while missing the richness of what's right in front of us. But what if you could break this cycle, not by making drastic changes, but by weaving simple, spiritual practices into the ordinary moments of your day? Everyday spirituality isn't about rigid rituals or strict rules. It's about creating space for meaning, connection, and reflection right where you are. It's about learning to notice the small miracles in the mundane, to tune back into your body and breath, and to find peace even in the midst of chaos. We'll explore practical techniques such as mindful breathing, gratitude practices, and simple rituals that can help you cultivate a more grounded and peaceful existence. First, let's talk about mindful breathing. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to anchor yourself in the present moment. When you focus your attention on your breath, even just for a few cycles, you send a signal to your nervous system that it's safe to relax. You can do this anywhere, in the car, at your desk, or even in the middle of a busy supermarket. Start by simply noticing your breath as it moves in and out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensation of breathing. With practice, you'll find that this small act can quickly dissolve tension and help you feel more centered. Next, consider incorporating a gratitude practice into your routine. Every day, pause for a moment to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Sometimes the smallest joys are the most powerful. Maybe it's the warmth of sunlight on your face, a kind word from a friend, or the taste of your morning coffee. By intentionally recognizing these moments of goodness, you train your mind to look for positivity, even on challenging days. Over time, gratitude can shift your perspective, making it easier to appreciate the present and see opportunities where you once saw problems. Simple rituals can also bring a sense of sacredness to your everyday life. You don't need elaborate ceremonies. The key is intention. Lighting a candle as you begin your workday, taking a mindful walk in nature, or setting aside a few minutes to meditate before bed can all serve as anchors for your spirit. These small acts create a pause in the busyness, allowing you to reconnect with yourself and what matters most. They remind you that spirituality isn't about escaping the world, but about engaging with it more fully and authentically. The key insight here is that spirituality doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Small, consistent actions can lead to profound shifts in your mindset. So often, we think that meaningful change requires grand gestures or hours of dedicated practice. But the truth is, it's the little things we do every day that shape our lives. By choosing to show up for yourself in these small ways, you gradually rewire your brain, calm your body, and open your heart to the present moment. Over time, you'll notice that stress has less of a hold on you. that you recover more quickly from setbacks, and that you feel a deeper sense of connection to yourself, to others, and to the world around you. This approach to everyday spirituality is about meeting yourself where you are, with compassion and curiosity. There's no need for perfection or pressure. If you miss a day, simply begin again. The journey is about progress, not perfection. Each time you return to your breath, express gratitude, or honor a simple ritual, you're strengthening your capacity for presence and peace. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can enhance your awareness and create a more fulfilling life. Imagine waking up each morning feeling grounded, clear, and ready to embrace whatever comes your way. Imagine moving through your day with a sense of purpose, noticing the beauty in ordinary moments and responding to challenges with calm and resilience. This is the gift of everyday spirituality, a way to transform even the most routine experiences into opportunities for growth, connection, and joy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on mindfulness techniques, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey toward greater mindfulness and everyday spirituality is unique, and I'd love to hear about the practices that resonate most with you. Remember, it's the small steps that lead to big transformations. Thank you for joining me on this path toward a more mindful, present, and peaceful life.